For cell culturing using ReadyToProcess WAVE 25, system control, as well as real-time data acquisition and documentation, are enabled by the easy-to-use and intuitive Unicorn system control software. Connect your system to the Unicorn software before starting your cultivation. If needed, run details can be changed in the Unicorn administration module by entering the cell bag bioreactor size and the calibration data for the pre-calibrated optical sensors available from the cell bag bioreactor. Process parameters will be automatically set by the system. Quick filling of gas into the cell bag bioreactor is enabled by the fast fill function. pH can be controlled either by adjustment of carbon dioxide in the gas flow or by addition of acid or base. The scale is tiered for accurate fluid control. Fluid management is conveniently handled by the system. In fed batch and perfusion applications, cell culture medium is automatically added to a predefined volume. The flow is controlled by weight feedback from the load cell integrated in the rocker unit. Use a lid to protect light-sensitive media components and cell bag optical sensors. A corresponding lid is available for each of the 3 tray sizes. The lid is ergonomically designed with a wide top opening, allowing for interaction with the cell bag bioreactor without removing the lid. Start rocking and gas flow. If required, start the DO and pH controller. You are now ready to turn on the rocker and let your culture simply multiply.